Hello, I'm Mrs Macdonald and I'm going to show you how to make origami butterfly bookmarks. Now I've already sort of made a few so you get a little bit of an idea of what we're going to be making. Lots of different styles. Now because you are going to see both sides of the butterfly, it is nice if you can have some paper where both sides are different. So, but it isn't necessary. For this one, I used a normal square that was blue on one side and blank on the other, and I just made some patterns on this side. So you could do that if you wanted, but it could also look okay if you had a piece of paper where it was the same color on both sides. So it's not really a big deal. Now we start off with a square, but we only need, we need it as a rectangle. So in order to do that, I'm going to fold it so that I have thirds. And then I'm just going to cut that third off. And you should be left with a rectangle that is about 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And so if we have a look here, I'm going to fold the top down, and then looking at this part, that's the bit that opens there, keeping that part closed over. I'm then going to fold it in half again. So there we go. So you should have it with two folds, one fold that goes down and then another fold across. Now I'm going to open here, if you have a look here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this part down, and then I'm going to fold this part down there. So remembering that this is the bit that opens, and then I'm folding each of those corners down into that middle fold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that part there, and then I'm going to go inside here where I did that fold, and I'm going to just press inside. See that my finger's inside there, and it should form a little triangle like that. And then I'll show you on the other side. Oh, then what I do is I fold that bit over. So my folded paper is inside that part. Then I'm going to do the same on this side. So if you have a look here, I open it a bit and then I put my finger in where that bit is, and it should fold down like that, and then fold that bit back over. Now, what I need to do now is I need to fold this part over and then turn over and do the same on the other side. So I'll end up with a piece. It looks like this. So it looks like we have the other color down the bottom, and it looks like it splits there. Now the next part we're going to do is we get this corner here, and I need to kind of bring it up to the top. Now it doesn't quite matter where it goes when you fold it up, as long as you do the same on the other side. So these should both come up the same. So I would come up to about there on that side. And you need to make sure that this crease is really quite strong there. So really press down, because it's going to make the next part a little bit easier. So we're then going to open this bit. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to push those triangles inside there like that, and then fold those back there. So your triangle is actually inside that bit. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. So open it up and push that part in there. And then this is the part where we form the two separate wings. So once again, it doesn't matter how close you come to that middle part. It does look a little bit nicer if there's only a little bit of the middle bit showing. So we bring this little bit here up and we fold it like that, and then we do the same on the other side. So as long as you bring both of these wings up the same, it will look good. And there you go. There you end up with your bookmark, and then you can get your book and it will just fit in this part here, and then it holds your place nicely. There you go, all done. Thank you. Oh, I got this video from a YouTube channel called Red Ted Art. So if you are finding my explanation a little bit tricky, you can always go and have a look at that explanation. All right, thank you.